Today, we are doing a short cardio routine to a song that Keisha made with Moments with Keisha. I want to give a shout out to her. We are using the lace-up weights. We only have 2 steps. We have jacks and scissors. I will not have a mic on today, so just follow along. It won't be a long workout. Come along with me. Let's go. Now, make sure you are already warmed up. We're going to start with half jacks. Ready?
The sun comes up, it's a brand new day. Got a thankful heart and I'm on my way. One small step and another one.
I am on the JumpSport today.
The strength that comes from you. Every breath is a gift I receive.
Make sure you're engaging that core. All right, we're going to go to cross jacks. And full jacks. Let's go. All right, rest 1 second. Gonna go to scissors. All right, ready? Singles.
A little bounce and a little joy. Every challenge I can now enjoy. Building strength both inside and out. That's
Double.
what faith is all about. Through the highs and through the lows, your steady love is all I know. One more step and one more mile. I'm looking forward with
To singles. Step touch, rest, and finish strong. Ready? Go back to half jacks.
When I need more strength, you lift me up. When I feel weak, you help me stand. Every step I take is safely in your hand.
Cross jacks. Full jacks, let's go.
Keep moving forward with my eyes on you. Stronger every day than I was before.
Good, scissors, let's go.
Keep moving
Good, step touch and we are done. Turn this off. All right. Grab yourself some water. Make sure you stay hydrated. All right, see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl.